How to transcribe texts with Podcastle AI. To begin with, you need to log in to the Podcastle AI website. If you aren't registered yet, don't worry. Check out our tutorial linked in the description box below. It'll guide you on how to create your free account. After you've logged in, navigate to the upper left side of the screen where you'll see a Create button. Click on it, followed by the Project option from the drop-down menu. Your next step is to upload your voice recording or video file. You can either drag it into the box or click to navigate through your files. After uploading, you'll see a graphical representation of your audio. Click on it, then select the three-dot icon to access the editing tools. From the drop-down menu, choose the Transcribe option. Now, identify the number of speakers and the language in your file. Once you've done that, hit the Transcribe button and let the AI do its magic. The transcribing process might take a while, depending on the length and quality of your audio. But don't worry, it's worth the wait. After transcription, you'll see the result organized neatly for you on the right side of your screen. You can then either export this transcription into a doc or PDF format using the Export Transcription button, or simply copy and paste the text into your document.